In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide chat on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messenger app. And then, if you would like to hide some conversation from that list, all you have to do is just swipe to the left, just like that, and then tap at Archive. What that will do, that will move that particular conversation to the archive, so that's how we can hide it from our main chat list. If we want to find our archived conversations, we can tap at Menu and select Archive. That's where we can find them, and if we would like to unarchive some, we can swipe to the left and tap at Unarchive. That's how you can easily hide and unhide chat on Messenger.